We're gonna go get our clipboards quietly, we're on a one, as quietly as possible. Clipboards and a sheet of paper. Okay, yeah. Get your clipboard and a sheet of paper and a pencil. Go back and put your pencil in the air when you're ready.
I want a candy from the candy guy, so I don't need it.
Silas is writing his name. Put his pencil in the air.
Is this your pencil?
One more friend is gonna get a bonus. Gary's ready. Blair's ready. Eddie, are you ready to write your name? Okay, write your name. Khalees Collins. This is awesome. All right, we're gonna start by counting our purses and the objects in the purse. This is the first purse that you guys have on here. We're gonna count the stars together. You guys see all these stars up here? They're the same amount on here. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 stars on the left side of the purse. So you're gonna write a 5 on your paper next to the star symbol. Everybody see? I know it might be blocking some of you.
Did you draw that?
5. Yeah. Can someone raise their hand and tell me how many hearts we have on the right side? Palmer Wilson?
2.
2. 1, 2. So you're gonna write a 2 next to the heart. The directions are to circle the number that is greater. Baker, will you remind the class what greater means?
Like the bigger number.
The bigger number. We're circling the greater number and we're Xing the smaller number. So in this case, we have 5 stars and 2 hearts. Can somebody tell me which one is greater in the group columns?
The star.
The stars, because we have more of them. And so we're going to circle the bigger number and we're going to X the smaller number. Pencil in the air when you're ready to move on to the next one. Don't move on. Don't go ahead. Don't go ahead, Caroline. Okay, we're going to do this one now. There are how many hearts? 4. There are how many squares?
4.
Also 4. Oh, wait. Which one is greater?
No.
Yeah, that was tricky, wasn't it?
No, it wasn't.
Yeah, not for you. You guys are too smart. They are the same, so they are equal. So we're not or we can also circle both of them if you want.
And do the
Equal sign and circle. Okay. Can everyone do this one? Might be trickier.
9 and 6.
You ready? How many triangles do we see on the left side? 6. Can somebody tell me how we knew there were 6 triangles? Raise your hand. Palmer, how did you know this was 6?
Because I know 2 and 2 and 2 and 3 3 is 6.
So you knew that 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6.
And
or
I
2 groups. You don't have to do this part. I'm just showing you. 2 groups of 3 is 6. This side might be trickier.
I know.
And some no, kiddo, how's left and right?
9.
Show me your ready to succeed. 3.
No, that's 10.
Can someone raise their hand and respectfully and quietly tell me how many circles we have on the right side? Lydia.
9.
9. And how did you know it was 9?
Because there's 3 and 3.
3 groups of 3. You don't have to do this circle unless you want to. All right, which group are we circling? The bigger or greater group? Which of these two is greater?
9. The 9
9.
circle.
And then we're going to X our 6. Pencil in the air if you're ready to move on to the last part. It's actually tricky this time. I know I say that sometimes, but this one is a little tricky. You're gonna have to pay attention to the directions. Okay, so first row, we see the number
3.
and we see how many circles? 1, 2, 3. there's an empty spot right here next to the 4.
4.
How many circles are we going to draw?
4.
4. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Do you guys see how there's 2 spaces here on this line? This one is a little, yeah, that's right. This one is a little tricky. What number are we missing? 3, 4, 5. Oh my, I really thought I was gonna trick you guys this time. Here, sit on your bottom, sit on
You
your bottom.
tricked me.
I know, a little bit. So 5 goes here, and then I'm gonna let you guys try to draw the amount of circles you think goes in this space. Work on your own, work on your own. Good job. Let's see. Pencils up if you think you got the answer.
1, 2, 3,
Okay, you're right. There should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. I really thought I was going to trick you guys on that one, but y'all are moving really fast. Y'all are super, super smart, and your brains are getting bigger every day. So this is why we compare numbers, so we can count on, we can learn bigger numbers, and we can just keep getting better and better at math, and then we can do better.